At 2:51 hours on December 24, 2024, a police officer conducted a routine check on a blue Mitsubishi Sedan and yielded the vehicle's registration to be expired as of March 2, 2024. Upon approaching the vehicle, the driver, Jackelyn, was notified of the reason for the stop. She was observed to have watery-glossy eyes and a strong odor of alcohol emanating from her person. Jackelyn was defensive from the start of the traffic stop and all throughout.
I'm Officer Cousins, Sarasota Police Department.
Hello, how are you?
What's going on today?
I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out myself.
What are you trying to figure out?
Why you're stopping me? What have I done?
So your registration comes back to be criminally expired.
Okay.
Do you have your driver's license and registration on you?
I do, but I would like to know what it is that you stopped me for before you even ran my tags. What have I done?
So I did a routine run on your tag after you followed me nose to nose in my rear, and your tag is criminally expired. So based off your unusual behavior, I did a routine check of your tag, which came back again criminally expired. So do you have your driver's license and registration?
I do, but my problem is that I'd like to know what it is that I did wrong, because
You're driving a vehicle with a criminally expired tag.
But you would have to know that, like you would have to run that, so then therefore...
Okay, let me see your driver's license and registration. I'm not going to ask again.
Okay, what I would like to know is what I did wrong before
you are driving a vehicle with a criminally expired registration. Let me see your driver's license and registration.
Okay, but I would like to know what I did beforehand, before you were even to run those tags. What is it that
ma'am, driver's license and registration.
Right, but I would like to know...
Driver's license and registration, ma'am.
So if I were to tell you no, then what? Because I would like to know...
Then you're going to be arrested for not identifying yourself during a lawful stop.
But what is it that you would have to...
Driver's license and registration.
What is it that you would have to stop me for the lawful stop?
Because you are driving a vehicle with a criminally expired registration.
No. Before you even ran my tags.
I don't have to have a reason to run your tag.
Okay. You sure about that?
100% sure, ma'am.
Okay.
It's a routine run.
Okay. Even though I didn't do anything wrong, right?
Ma'am, you're driving a vehicle with a criminally expired registration.
No. I'd like to know before you ran my tags.
Driver's license and registration,
I'd like to know before you ran...
Driver's license and registration, ma'am.
All right. So I'd like to know before you ran my tags, right?
Okay, I'm going to ask one more time. I'm going to ask one more time.
No, I'm getting my stuff together.
Grab it, please.
Right, and I'm getting my stuff together. But I'd like to know...
Okay, I will be happy to explain anything else that you would like as soon as I get your driver's license and registration.
Okay. But you have no reason why to stop me beforehand, right?
Again, I will be happy to explain.
No. I'd like you to. No. I asked you a question, right? I'm getting my stuff together. But I'd like
multiple opportunities to get your driver's license and registration. I am asking you one last time.
And I'm getting that together right now.
Out of this vehicle. So
I am getting my stuff together right now. But I'd like to know beforehand. Before you even ran my tags, there was nothing that I did wrong, right?
License, please.
No, you're going to answer that question. All right. So therefore, you don't want to answer that question?
Okay, let's grab our driver's license.
Right,
please.
you don't want to answer that question. So beforehand, there was nothing that I did wrong. All right.
Okay, are you refusing to identify yourself?
I'm sorry. No, I'm not failing to identify myself. I am identifying myself right now. Now, what I would like to know is...
You're not identifying yourself, driver's license.
Right, and I am. So
driver's
therefore,
license, or we're going to step out of this vehicle. So
right, and we can step out of this vehicle. Now, what I would like to know is,
let's step out of the vehicle.
All right.
Let's step out of the vehicle.
Can I please have some space to step out of the vehicle?
Okay.
All right.
Be my guest, ma'am.
Thank you. May I please have some space? May I please
step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to take you out of the vehicle.
Ma'am, I am not. Okay.
We're gonna step out of the vehicle.
Okay, please. Can I? Okay, because I have this right here in my.
Perfect.
Okay, thank you. All right. May I please get my? May I?
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Thank you. You're going
May
to
I-
be detained for not providing your identification.
I want to provide.
I provided you ample opportunity to do so.
I want to provide, and I have video right here. I want
okay.
to
I'm
provide
recording
my
as well.
identification. Okay, that's fine. May I please provide identification to you? No? Okay. I cannot provide it.
247 one-way thing.
Even though I was trying to get my identification.
We're going to stand over here.
Okay,
Face the vehicle.
sure.
Okay.
I want to provide my identification to you.
Okay,
Is
I
that
asked you multiple times.
Yeah, and I was trying to get that for you.
You were not.
I was digging in my wallet to identify myself, but okay, sure.
Okay.
Whatever you need to do in order to, I guess, go about your day.
Hey, she has a currently expired registration. She was refusing
I
to give
literally tried to get
She was
identification,
refusing to get
and she
her
did not
ID.
allow me to. She did not allow me to.
Okay. Are you going to provide me your name?
No,
Date of birth?
because I tried to provide. No, I
you
tried
did
to.
not. I gave
No.
you ample opportunity.
I tried to
do
provide
so.
her my identification. No. I have my identification. I will provide you it. No, she's not trying to do that.
If she's just not willing to give it to you, she can go to jail.
That's
No,
what I'm
I
saying. So can
tried
you
to
just
provide
hang
it for her.
No, you did not. Can you hang tight with her?
Yeah.
You know who this car is behind you right now?
It's my friend. I tried to provide identification for you. It's my friend.
Thank you. Okay.
I
So
have
are we-
identification.
We're not IDing ourselves. You're refusing to give
I
any
am not.
identification.
I am not. But if that's what you
Okay.
want to take, I have my friend right there, and I have them on the phone. And if that's what the take you want to take, I have my phone right there too.
Okay.
If that's the take you want to take, then by all means take it.
That's fine.
Yep. I try to provide identification. You want to take that take too? Listen, I tried.
driving. Now.
Don't.
Keep
Don't.
driving.
Please don't. Please don't. Please don't.
Okay. Do you have anyone that can pick up this car for you? Otherwise, it's going
Right
to get
there.
Tubman's.
Right there.
That is a single driver.
Okay, he can get other people.
Sounds like a great idea.
Okay. So we're going to get the vehicle towed. Do you have anything on you that can stick me, poke me, prod me, or anything?
Pablo!
Hey, do you have anything that can stick me, poke me, prod me on you?
When I try to provide identification, you're gonna take me to jail?
Okay. Do you have anything on you that's going to stick me,
No,
poke
but
me,
what I
prod me?
want to know
Okay.
is you're gonna try to take me. You're taking me to jail when I try to provide identification.
You did not.
I did. I have it on video,
Okay.
and you know I did. I was digging in my wallet.
10 seconds.
May I please provide identification when I try to give you identification?
Okay, we're going to kick our shoe off one at a time. Hey,
Sir,
ma'am.
may I please
listen
have
to
Stand
Mayor-
this way. Stand
no,
this
no.
way.
No, you're gonna listen to what
Stand
we're
this way. Take this shoe off and kick your foot back. Take this shoe off and let's kick our foot back, please.
Ma'am, I
Take
tried
your
to
shoe
give
off.
you
Okay,
identification.
we're gonna
Why
take
are
this
you
shoe
doing
off.
this?
I'm gonna ask you again. Take
Okay,
your shoe
I'm
off.
gonna ask you again too. Why are you doing this?
I need
Is
you
it
to
for
take your-
numbers?
I need
Because it's the end of the year the year. Is that why?
I don't have numbers. Can you take your shoe off, please?
No, you're one of
Okay,
those.
We're gonna leave
No.
the car. Kick your foot back.
I'm not doing shit because I haven't done shit. Can he take my car? Like, I haven't done anything. I tried to
Okay.
give her identification.
Take the shoe off.
She's on a power trip. How are none of you listening to this? When I try to give her my identification, it's on video. I have a video of it.
Let's slip our shoes on like sandals.
Ma'am, I tried to give you
Put
my
your other shoe on.
identification. Like, why are you doing this? I don't understand. Like, I have given you my identification.
Alright, we're gonna go in the back of my car.
You really want to do this when I try to give you my identification? You must
I
be
gave
new.
you ample opportunity.
No, you must be new. You must be new. You must be new. You look new.
Okay.
Yeah, you
Lean
look
back so I can
new.
get your seatbelt on.
For what?
Lean back so I can get your seatbelt on.
For what? Exactly. For what? For what? Identification? Be real. Be fun.
Alright, ma'am.
Yes.
Do you want any of your belongings to go with you to the jail?
Do I really have to go to jail when I was
Yes.
trying to give you
Okay.
identification?
Would you like your phone or anything to go with you to the jail?
Please, but I don't want to go to jail. Like, I haven't done anything.
Okay, what do you want to go with you to the jail?
So I'm going to jail.
I'm not going to ask one more time. Either tell me or we're going to go without any belongings.
What have I done?
So, you don't want anything to go with you to jail?
I want my phone. Can I have my wallet go to him? But, like...
Nope, it's going to get towed with the vehicle. We're not giving anything to him. So, again, would you like your wallet to go with you to the jail as well, or just your phone?
My wallet can go too, but what did I do wrong when I was trying to give...
She wants her phone and wallet to go with her to the jail.
So what about my car? Where can I get my car from?
It's going to get towed to Upman's Towing. It's on 301 and 12th Street. Hey, can you give me a light? Can you give me a light?
Sir? Sir?
I'm pretty sure that's a
May I please speak to him before I go to jail?
Yeah.
Sir? May I please speak to him before I go to jail? I haven't done anything wrong.
I already answered that.
But I haven't... Why are you searching through my stuff?
Because it's going with you to the jail, and anything that goes in my vehicle has to get searched.
So I asked you if he... No. So then therefore, can he have it? Because I what? Can he have it? I really do not appreciate you going through my stuff.
Yes.
Okay, well, I'm asking you if he can have it. I don't want you going through my stuff.
Okay, so again, I gave you the option. We went
Okay,
back and
but
forth.
you
I'm
did not
going
give
back
me the
and forth
option
again.
of you going through my stuff. I did not know that. So then therefore, can he have it?
Is your name Jackelyn?
Can he have my stuff? I do not want you going through my stuff. I did not give you right to go through my stuff. So therefore, can he have my stuff so you do not go through my stuff? Can I have a sergeant out here, please?
If you would like a sergeant.
Yes, may I have
That's
a sergeant
fine.
out here, please?
Sure.
Mayor, whoever you need to get out here, but anyone, no, like you're still going through my stuff when I've asked you to please give it to him.
Completely
You are
fine,
going
ma'am.
through my stuff and now you are taking pictures when I have asked you to not go through my stuff.
Of your ID that you failed to provide. Yeah.
No, that is not my ID at all.
Well, it's a medical marijuana card
You
that
are
has your
not,
picture
that
on
is
it
not
and
my
your name,
ID though. That is not
That's
my
good.
ID at
That's
all.
fine.
It's called search and seizure.
No, I did not consent to that.
You have to under arrest.
But I'm under arrest for obstruction. Like, I did not do anything. And there.
Alright, the sergeant's going to meet you down at the jail, okay?
No.
247 dispatch.
Why is the lieutenant meeting me downtown? Why is the lieutenant meeting me downtown when he can meet me right there?
So again, that's not up to you. And the sergeant is going to meet you down at the jail.
There's no reason why. You don't got nothing else. Obstruction. It's crazy. So people like me who used to bet on.
Used to be a what?
You only get an obstruction. Yeah, that shit ain't gonna hold.
What'd you used to be?
So you're wasting your time. You're wasting my taxpayer money. Here we go. We'll be out tomorrow. And then what? You gonna catch someone else? Same way? Yeah. Here we go. Let's get this taxpayer money going. Let's go. Come on. You can do it. Yup. You can do it. Here we go.